Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video we are going to talk about one of the boards from Silicon Labs. Like if you see here, we have some beautiful boards from Silicon Labs. So Silicon Labs have a wide portfolio of MCU based and radio boards which can be used for your IoT based applications. So the ones you see here are some of those boards, and also we have some other boards from Silicon Labs. And today we are going to talk about this board which is packed in a very cute little cotton, right? You can see here it's packed in a very cute cotton, and this basically is a 32-bit based microcontroller which is called a Gaint Gecko series by Silicon Labs, and this is one of the most energy friendly microcontrollers available in the market. So you can see here the Silicon Labs brand. So okay, so let us just try to unbox this from particular cotton. So you can see here we have received a USB micro B cable, USB 2.0 to micro B cable, which is can be used as a debugger cable. And see the cute little board. So this is the EFM32 board, if you can see here. So lovely board, right? So generally we don't see this black solder mask on the boards. So very cute board. And you can see here this is the EFM32 microcontroller. So as we said, this is ARM M4 based Cortex M4 based microcontroller, and one of the Silicon Labs have energy friendly microcontrollers. They have huge variants in 32 microcontrollers under Gaint Gecko series. So you can see the same here. And then if you see the board, you have two USB options. So these two, both of them are micro B connectors. So one of the connector, if you can see, it will be written here. One is written as MCU USB and one is debugged USB. So MCU USB, look, like first to mention, this board has onboard debugger. The Segger debugger can be connected externally. So as it has an onboard debugger, you just need a USB cable, right? The Segger based debugger actually. So and then so the debug USB connector connects to the target microcontroller. Target microcontroller is the EFM32, which is the main controller on this board. Connects to the target microcontroller through this debugger circuit. So you need not have any additional debugger externally. And then this particular board, if you see here, has different pins extended outside, which is you can see from the pads that are extended out, which helps you to try out different options externally. Like it has SPI interface extended out, it has I2C interface extended out, it has GPIO pins extended out, and if you can try out different options. For simple applications, you also have the reset switch. You can see both of the reset switches here, and also you have LED on the board where you can just try out simple applications. So for a beginner, for school and college people, this board is a very simple board to use, and you must try out this board. And apart from that, this has PDM based microphone options as well. If you see on the top here, there are two blocks. Okay, so I'll just try to pull it so that you can see two blocks here on the right and left of that USB connector. These are called PDM based microphones, which is pulse density modulation based microphone. So this particular board supports those options, and you can try out the microphone as well. And then apart from that, you have a switch here. You can see the switch, slide switch. So you can power the board either from MCU USB port or the debug port, and also this EFM32 series of microcontrollers have internal LDOs, where you can give the 5 volts, and you can generate 3.3 volt internally and use it for the microcontroller. That means if you are using this board for a low cost solution, preferring this board for a low cost solution, that means this board is very, very useful for your applications. So very useful, right? And you can see the the debugger controller on the back side. So on the back side you see very minimal components, and then on the board there is one more option. You can see the pads here, the connector pads. So this is called a simplicity connector, where you can connect a external debugger and talk to the target MCU directly and probe their energy related options. So this is internally used by Silicon Labs team. So we do not have access externally. So we have access through MCU USB and then the debug USB. The debug USB also has something called VCOM, virtual COM. That means if you want to put the serial debug messages, you can use the debug USB port. So very simple board, and this board is costing around $29. That means roughly around 2000 to 2200 rupees, and very, very simple board which can be used by the hobbies, which can be used by students, especially at the school level and college level as well, and any interns who try out different things can try this, and experienced people who want to try a new microcontroller option other than the ones which are taught in your academics. So this could be an alternate option and you should try out. So Silicon Labs provides something called Simplicity Studio, which is for free. You can download from their portal. You have detailed instructions about this board and how to use it in their portal. They have a user guide mentioned, and as we mentioned, this is based on Gaint Gecko, the GG series from Silicon Labs, which are 32-bit microcontrollers. And this board, to tell you, this board is called a Thunderboard board, where you can use it to evaluate different applications. And if you want to prototype a board based on this, you also have the schematics and all available in the portal, Silicon Labs portal. Just give it a try and see if this can help you. I personally suggest to try out this board by yourself, and in the coming videos we are going to post about the different things you can try out, starting from a simple blinky LED and going till microphone, and then interfacing different options through I2C, GPIO and SPI. Try this board, and this is available in the market, and this comes with the part number called SLTB009A from Silicon Laboratories, and the board name is called Thunderboard EFM32GG12. So hope you'll try this board, and we'll be posting series of videos on this particular board. Please keep visiting our channel, and please let us know if you have any questions on this, and please let us know if you want to know how to buy this board. All those options I'll be providing you answers. Thanks for watching, and please post if you have any questions, and if you want me to try different things on this board, please do post your comments. And if you are watching this video from a training institute or some college or something, just give it a try. A low cost board with a latest microcontroller option, and different pins extended out. And if you are aspiring embedded engineer, this is one of the board, because tools are free, you get the board at a cheaper cost, you have all manuals and then all the schematics available for this board. So please try it out. Thank you.